DJI is the most well-known brand for capturing professional quality aerial footage, and we are very sure no other brand has managed to capture close to 70% of the market. DJI simply provides high-quality drones, and best of all, they are designed so that even beginners can easily learn how to use them. So in this video, we've composed a brief consumer guide and reviewed the top 5 best DJI drones you can buy in 2024. For more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Let's get started. DJI Mini 2 SE. The Mini 2 SE is a basic model that lacks collision avoidance, but it does contain GPS tracking and return to home, as well as QuickShot's automatic flight patterns that allow you to capture professional-looking footage with the press of a button. This drone is ideal for folks who are new to drones or cannot afford the higher prices of professional models. It's a full-fledged smart drone with powerful software and user-friendly control systems, but it's priced reasonably. This small but well-constructed drone can take 12-megapixel photos and 2.7K videos. Also, the flight maximum time of 31 minutes. Another advantage for novices is that the weight is less than 250 grams, which means you do not need to register it with the US government to fly lawfully. You should still check your local rules and regulations, but it's a useful feature anyway. It is also portable and tiny. Folded up, it takes up roughly the same amount of space as a can of soda, making it easy to transport on travels. Furthermore, DJI couldn't resist equipping the camera with a high-quality 3-axis gimbal, resulting in an image that is more stable than most 4K budget drones. Manual exposure is also available, but not in RAW. DJI Avata Combo. The DJI Avata is a pricey entry point into the field of first-person view drones that not only include FPV gear but also camera drone-like video capabilities. One of its most notable features is the first-person view, which provides a one-of-a-kind experience that no other drone can match. It would be similar to wearing the Meta Quest headset, with the exception that you'd be piloting an actual drone and recording professional footage. This drone's video resolution is 4K at 60 FPS, allowing you to record high-quality footage. This is one of DJI's lightest and most nimble drones, making it an ideal choice for anyone wishing to film sports in a unique way while preserving all of the details. Despite its agility, the drone is fitted with cutting-edge stabilizers to enable smooth recordings even during high-speed spins. The rechargeable battery provides 18 minutes of recording time, and the DJI O3 Plus has a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. Remember that while learning how to manage it isn't difficult, achieving any advanced maneuvers will most likely require some practice. DJI has developed this drone to be simple to use even for novices. DJI AIR 3. If you want something a little more professional and with far higher wind resistance, the DJI AIR 3 is your best option. This drone strikes a mix between the Mini 3 Pro's price and the Mavic 3's professional specifications, including all of its excellent performance. With a takeoff weight of 720 grams, the AIR 3 falls under Europe's C1 category, which means it faces more limitations than the sub-250-gram drones on this list. However, there are other perks to carrying extra baggage, including a substantial 46-minute flight duration. The DJI AIR 3 introduces dual-camera drones to the mainstream. Could it be the best option for aspiring aerial photographers? The AIR 3 boasts dual cameras, allowing you to choose between the conventional wide-angle drone shot and a considerably closer 70mm equivalent zoom. This adds a completely new dimension to your drone photos and might help your movie stand out from the crowd. It also excels at slow motion, recording at up to 4K 100 FPS for some truly impressive action pictures. In fact, there are numerous high-end features that enhance your aerial videography capabilities, and the cost is reasonable. Overall, the mid-range DJI AIR 3 drone is easy to use thanks to its adaptable wide-angle and telephoto cameras, excellent obstacle avoidance sensors, and long battery life. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a powerful high-end drone designed to provide professional quality recordings in all aspects. It distinguishes out primarily for its highest image quality of 5.1K at 50 FPS, which ensures that the footage appears great. The Mavic 3 Pro is suitable for cinematographers, independent filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professions. It is heavy enough to require FAA registration, and you must have an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it is still portable for on-site work. There aren't many drones that can offer footage in 4K or higher, but the DJI Mavic 3 Pro does it thanks to remarkable technology. You can also shoot photos at 48 megapixels, which will look just as good as films. In addition, the DJI RC remote controller is included so you can easily control it and get a video feed of up to 15 km. One of the reasons this drone is one of the best is that it uses 3 cameras to give the greatest possible video quality with a simple initial setup. Furthermore, the rechargeable battery is intended to provide up to 43 minutes of operation on a single charge. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the greatest and most advanced consumer or prosumer drone available today, thanks to advanced capabilities like omnidirectional collision avoidance, enhanced return to home, and advanced subject tracking. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro improves on the Mini 3 Pro's features to set a new standard for sub-250-gram drone performance. The updated Mini 4 Pro refines all that was wonderful about it, preserving the camera, which can be remotely moved to portrait or horizontal mode, but increasing video ISO sensor captures superb low-light video at frame rates of up to 30 FPS. The Mini 4 Pro has a maximum flight range of 11.18 miles and a maximum transmission distance of 12.4 miles. Creatives are thus blessed with a gadget that can be brought almost anywhere and operated without a license in FAA area while capturing 48 megapixel stills or 4K video, shooting in D-Log and launching a full suite of DJI's intelligent flight functions including obstacle avoidance. DJI also provides a controller with a built-in 5.5-inch screen, as well as a more affordable version for people who want to use their smartphone as a monitor. Even better, DJI's versatility extends to larger batteries, more than 40 minutes compared to the 34 norm for those who can exceed the weight limit. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an excellent sub-250-gram drone with features suitable for both professional and amateur use.